Want a garden that multiplies itself without spending a dime on seeds? Cuttings are your secret weapon, and not just for flowers. This video covers some of the easiest perennial plants to propagate from cuttings, including step-by-step guidance on how to take, root, and plant your trimmings, so you can expand your garden efficiently and sustainably without buying new plants. These easy perennials, vegetables, herbs, and fruiting plants grow from stem cuttings like magic. Just snip, stick, and watch your garden expand. So don't toss those trimmings, turn them into tomorrow's harvest. We're starting with a root vegetable that does more than just grow underground. It vines, it thrives, and it regenerates with ease. We usually think of sweet potatoes for their roots, but the leaves? Totally edible, and the vines are ridiculously easy to propagate. In zones 8 and warmer, sweet potato vines are perennial, and you can grow them year-round for lush, spinach-like greens. Just snip the vine tips and place them in water or moist soil. They root in days, not weeks. Even ornamental varieties work, as long as they aren't treated with chemicals. For a quick kitchen-to-garden turnaround, this one's a favorite among regenerative gardeners. Okinawa spinach. If you love colorful foliage and high-nutrient greens, Okinawa spinach is your dream plant. With its deep green tops and striking purple undersides, it's as ornamental as it is edible. Snip off a soft stem and root it in water or soil. It's incredibly cooperative. Ideal for containers or edible landscapes in zones 9 and up, this perennial loves warmth and regular trimming. The more you cut it, the bushier it gets. Tomato cuttings, surprise. You might think of tomatoes as a one-season wonder, but here's a secret. They root like champs from cuttings. While technically an annual in most zones, tomatoes are incredibly easy to grow from cuttings, making them practically perennial in warm climates or greenhouses. Just remove a side shoot, also called a sucker, and stick it in water or moist soil. Within a week, you'll see roots forming. It's the fastest way to duplicate a favorite tomato variety without starting seeds all over again. This trick is a game changer for succession planting and late-season boosts. Moving on to small fruits, grapes are one of the easiest fruiting vines to grow from hardwood cuttings. In late winter, snip 8 to 12-inch segments of dormant vine and bury the bottom half in moist soil. For best results, provide bottom heat and keep humidity high. In zones 4 to 10, grapes reward your patience with years of sweet, sun-kissed clusters. Bonus tip, they're excellent in containers with vertical support. Now let's branch into something sweet and ancient, figs. If you want fruit fast, few plants beat the fig tree. It roots so easily you might feel like you're cheating nature. Use hardwood or softwood cuttings, 6 to 8 inches is all you need, and place them directly into soil. No rooting hormone required. Even indoors or on a windowsill, figs will send out roots and start growing. In zones 7 to 10, they're a staple of permaculture gardens and a backyard favorite for their honey-sweet fruit. Now for a fruiting shrub that's both fast and fruitful, literally. Dwarf mulberries are compact enough for containers, and many varieties will produce berries in under a year from a cutting. Take softwood or hardwood sections, place them in water or soil, and they root lightning fast. In zones 5 to 10, this is a low-fuss, high-yield plant that makes an excellent edible hedge or privacy screen too. Next up is a plant with deep roots in both the garden and the spirit. It's sage. Want a silvery aromatic herb that's also a pollinator haven? Sage is your go-to. Softwood or semi-hardwood cuttings root easily in moist soil, especially with a little bottom heat. Sage prefers full sun and sandy, well-drained conditions, making it drought-tolerant once established. It's perfect for herb gardens, rockeries, or the edge of raised beds where it can dry out between waterings. Ending on a soothing note, lemon balm is one of the easiest herbs to root from cuttings. Just snip a soft green stem and place it in water. It'll root in no time. Known for its calming scent and gentle tea properties, lemon balm is a cheerful garden companion. It's perennial in zones 4 to 9 and tends to spread, so keep it contained if you want neat edges. From leafy greens to luscious fruiting shrubs, nature provides us with everything we need to multiply abundance in our gardens. Instead of tossing those trimmings, turn them into tomorrow's harvest by taking cuttings from these easy-to-grow perennials and herbs. With a little patience and care, you can expand your edible garden quickly and cost-effectively. As a bonus tip to boost your success, always use clean tools, strip lower leaves, dip cuttings in rooting hormone, and plant them in a moist, well-draining medium. Cover with a humidity dome or plastic bag, keep them in bright indirect light, and provide bottom heat if possible. This will speed rooting and help your new plants thrive. So, which plant will you propagate first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow garden lovers. Together, let's grow a forest of food, one cutting at a time.